Everyone. Well, this is an exercise problem on calculating the nominal and real GDP. Well, let's think that 2025 is our base hour. Well, in nominal GDP, we, in real GDP, we have to determine a base year on which on which year's prices we will gonna compare, or we will gonna use the prices on that year as base here. Okay, so let's go on further detail, and then we're gonna understand it more efficiently or more quietly. Okay, so let's do it. So okay, so in 2025, let's see, it's the base year, and we are currently in 2023. Just imagine that we are currently in 2023, and we are just wanting to determine the real GDP based on 2025. It also gives us a the inflation rate, idea on inflation rate, that how much inflation is occurring, or how much inflation is currently available in the market according to the lifestyle in 2025, 2015 in the country. So let's see that in 2025, same products like mangoes, then tangerines and apples, and also in 2020, same products. The production, these are the production number, and these are the prices. So in and this one is the nominal GDP, and this one is the real GDP. So let's determine the current year GDP first. So in current year, let's assume that there are 35 mangoes every year produce. I mean, in 2023, 35 mangoes were produced, and each one is priced 55. Again, in 23, we have produced 50 tangerines, and their prices are 80. Okay, and the apples, we have produced 40 pieces, and the prices are 40 per each. Okay, so these are the prices in 2023. Now let's come down to 2020, 2015. Okay, so in 2015, we have 30 mangoes produced, but the prices were 20. And for this, we have 40 production, 40 piece production, and each costs us 40. And for apples, we have produced 35 in 2015, and each costs 10. Okay, so let's do the further calculation. So for the further calculation, we can see that uh, in GDP, we uh, the market price we determine by multiplying the number of product multiplied by the price of the product. So that's how we determine the market price. So let's go in front. So by multiplying these two, we'll get this one. This is our nominal GDP of 2015. So then 40 multiplied by 40, this is our nominal GDP. Then multiplying this is our nominal GDP based on 2015. So this is the nominal GDP is actually based on that year, uh, and in real GDP we use the price of the previous year. So the nominal GDP, these are the nominal GDP respectively for these, and as we are determining 2025 as our base year, the real GDP will also remain same, as we are not actually determining for 2015. We are actually determining the real GDP in 2023 according to 2015. So these two will be same. Okay, so after that, let's come to the 2023. So in 2023, if you multiply these two, it means the production rate in 2023 multiplied by the price per each. So we will get the GDP and the nominal GDP. I mean the nominal prices or nominal GDP. If we sum all of this, we will get this this value. So this is our nominal GDP. Okay, for 2015 it will be the same. If we add this portion, we will get the nominal GDP. This. Okay, okay. So after that, we if we add this, we will get real GDP. Now comes the question how we get this. So to get this, we have to just imagine that here 35, okay, here 35 35 is the number of production. Yes, 35 is the number of produced mangoes in 2023. So we have to multiply 35 into the prices of mangoes in 2015. It means 20. So we have to multiply 35 into 20 and then we'll get this value 700. Okay, then we get 700. Okay, so then again for the tangerines, the quantity is 50. So we're gonna multiply it with 40 and hereafter we will get 2000. Okay, done. So again for the apples, the quantity is 40 and the prices were 10, and multiplying these two we're gonna get 400. So now these are the real GDP. These are the real prices, or the summation of these are the real GDP according to the base year 2015. So as per the thing, after doing the sum up of this, we're gonna get the real GDP, this one. Okay, and for summation of these, we're gonna get the nominal GDP of 2023 or current year. So that's how we determine the nominal and real GDP. So that's it. Thank you all.